teacher Mimi sees to it that she checks for understanding as she teaches to ensure that every student can follow the lesson. With what form of assessment is she occupied with? Would it be letter A, assessment of learning only? Letter B, assessment for learning only? Letter C, assessment as learning only? Or letter D, assessment for and as learning? Ang tumpak na choice for this one right here is letter B. Okay, so again, kapag sinabi mo pong assessment for learning, that is formative assessment. Formative. Ibig sabihin, ito po yung nangyayari during instruction, and this is done to check for understanding, para ma-check mo, di ba? Ma-gauge mo, mapulsuhan mo ang inyo pong mga estudyante kung talagang nakakaintindi ng inyo pong lesson. Now, assessment as learning po, ayan yung letter S ninyo, that is your hint that this is done by your students. So ito po ay self-reflection na nagre-reflect yung inyo po mga estudyante, gumagawa po sila ng metacognition. Assessment of learning naman po, this is summative assessment. No? So when you say summative assessment, this is done after instruction, pagkatapos na po ng instruction. And the purpose of this, ito po nalabas sa inyong licensure exam for teachers, is to check the quality and quantity of teaching and learning.